Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone speaker not working on iPhone speaker not working issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste your time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have check the iPhone ringer and volume. On the side of every iPhone are the three buttons: the ringer mute switch and two volume buttons. The ringer mute switch disable all sound for calls and notification, while the volume buttons control the overall volume of device. So you have turn so then volume up and volume down, and then ringer you have silent off and on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have turn off Bluetooth, so you have open the setting and then you have click on uh, general sorry you have click on Bluetooth, so you have turned off on your iPhone. I have not turned off, so you must be turned off on your iPhone while you are facing this issue. The iPhone speaker cannot play sound if the audio is sent from the iPhone to another device. You may not hear anything because your iPhone is sending audio to a different speaker, such a Bluetooth speaker. Then third solution, you have restart the iPhone, so you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your problem will be fixed. This is may not solve the problem, is nothing else has, but it is quick and easy, and restarting the iPhone can solve a range of problems. It is possible that your iPhone speakers is not working because a temporary software glitch. If that's the case, restarting it may clear out that glitch if the speaker case you have working on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, you have clean the air speaker. So over time your iPhone AirPCs can gather dust and rebels affecting the call volume. You can try clearing the air speaker with a soft bristly brush and then see if it solves your problem permanently damage. And then you however make sure you to gentle and not use any liquid, if as it can permanently damage your speaker. Then last solution, you have update iOS latest version. So you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you must be updated and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.